says that shopping is boring. We suggest turning it into a funny prank. Buy fish-like flip-flops, frighten your friends in a fitting room, and decorate your interior with a flower pineapple. Watch these and other pranks in our new video. The mall is a great fishing spot. Redhead is going to sneak in a unique product on a stand. These are fish flip-flops. Cut off fasteners off the flip-flop belts. Take them out. Attach fish steak pictures to the soles. Cut the soles following the shape of the fish steaks. Cover them with clear tape. Make holes in the pictures at the spots where the belt should be fastened. Put the belts back. Hot glue the fasteners. Cindy goes fishing to catch flip-flops. My salmon flip-flops look very creative compared to other shoes. They are eye-catching. This is a real catch. My friend can't figure out whether it is a shoe shop or a fish department, but the flip-flops remind her of a sea breeze. I'm buying them. I can feel like a mermaid wearing these flip-flops. They are very exclusive. No one on the beach will have flip-flops like mine. We have to make a difficult choice in a mall. Which candies to buy? Fruit or jelly? Or low-calorie? Redhead takes all the candies for herself. She is happy about sharing the yummies. But I find a sweet surprise. A candy choker. How did it get here? Attach crimp connectors to both sides of a rainbow gummy belt. Fasten a chain to each. Attach a jump ring to one side of the choker chain and a lobster clasp to the other. This sweet accessory is found among the other candies, but it turns out that it is the only copy. The rest of the candies are regular. Cindy gets the choker. It's so nice and sweet. You can take it off whenever you like and make your life sweeter. I could do a cute bracelet from my candy, but I'd rather eat it. Redhead has already gone through the entire mall looking for her dream shoes. Because of the shopping fever, she finds herself imagining lovely sneakers. It's a shopping illusion. I need to cool down with an ice cream immediately. I choose my favorite flavor. I will enjoy it now. Oops! What's going on? All of a sudden, the illusion turns real. The ice cream transforms into my dream sneakers. Tape to cover soles. Coat the top with acrylic ground. When dry, apply a crisscross hot glue pattern. Let it look like a wafer cone. Cover the toe with the hot glue, shaping it into melting ice cream. Apply the hot glue wafer pattern to the rest of the sneaker. Paint the wafer cone part beige. Make it more realistic using brown acrylic paint. Color the melting ice cream pink. Make it glossy with clear acrylic lacquer and add some sprinkles. Remove the adhesive tape from the sole when the paint is dry. Wafer sneakers with pink ice cream are the best summer footwear. They look very tasty. It's great that they are not edible. Otherwise, there would be no shoes for me anymore. Moreover, they won't melt under the hot sun and will be an eye candy for a long time. These cute sneakers will leave the sweetest footprints. Cindy is trying on a new top, and there's nothing to worry about. But she's wrong. My pink hand is about to start chasing her. Cut a wire into a few pieces using cutting pliers, 3 long ones and 2 short ones. Apply some hot glue to the end of each piece. Bend the wire into a circle and attach other pieces like fingers to a palm. Put the construction into a rubber glove. Fill it with flour and tie it up. Make triangular notches on a cardboard tube and hot glue them to make one side of the tube narrower. Paint the cardboard tube pink to be of the same color as the glove. Attach press-on nails to the fingers of the glove and hot glue the glove inside the cardboard tube. A pink bodiless hand is stretching out to the girl. Stretching to hand over a hanger. Take it, girl. It is so fun.